everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. So today is Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day all of you. So today I'm gonna show you this hairstyle. So let's get started into the video. If you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, never miss another update video. Now I am applying this Pantene Oil Replacement. This is second tube I am using. Already I have done one tube completely. This is very good product for your hair. Okay, now take a little bit of that and apply all over length of your hair. Don't apply on scalp. And best part of it, this is also use the conditioner of your hair. This is very smooth and silky. You get the smooth and silky hair. Make sure any serums don't apply on your scalp. It reduces the hair growth. And also this gives detangle of your hair running with your fingers and long lasting fragrance. This is the best part of this. Okay, now take a comb and take a side partition of your hair like so. And now take top section like so on your front of hair and divide it into 3 equal parts and make a French lace braid. I already make a tutorial on that. I provided a link on the description bar below and check my iCards also. My recently videos are coming on Friendship Day special, so I am wearing this yellow color dress for signature of Friendship Day. Next video coming up, Raksha Bandhan special. Please stay tuned on my channel and please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, never miss another update video, and like all my videos. Okay, now braiding was completed. Now pull out your strands like so. It will give nice bouncy look of your braid. Now I wear yellow color elastic. This is Friendship Day special, so I wear most of the yellows. By the way, my favorite color also yellow, so Now take a tic tac pin and secure it at the back side like so. Now take another tic tac pin and again cross them each other. Okay, now coming to another side. Take a small bunch of hair and twist it, and again add some more hair and again twist it until your ear end. Now pull out those twisted strands like bouncy look. So now take a tic tac pin and secure it at the back side like so. Okay, now coming to the length of the hair. The length of the hair divided into 4 equal parts like so. Okay, these are the 4 parts. Now we will work first and third part. Leave second and fourth part aside. Okay, now take third strand and divide it into 2 equal parts. Make a rope braid on that. So the braiding was completed. Now take an yellow color elastic and secure it at the end of the braid. Now take out the first strand. Same procedure will do. Take the strands, same positions. First strand also braid it, second strand normal, third strand braided, fourth strand normal. Now first strand goes over the second strand, first strand goes under the third strand and over the fourth strand. Now again repeat, first strand goes over, under and over. Same procedure repeat, goes over, and over. Same procedure do the end of your hair. Now I take an elastic and secure it at the end of the braid. Okay, now pull out the non-braided strands like so. So this is my all-time favorite hairstyle. So this gives nice bow look of your braid. So guys, if you like my videos, please give a big thumbs up on my videos. So this is my Friendship Day hairstyle, guys. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye, I love you. Keep rocking. Thank you for watching this video.